Gibbs.
Binabantayan ka niya?
Delikado.
Alam mo, hindi na ako nagugulat kung binabantayan ka niya. Pero akala ko ba changed na?
Change na. Pero alam mo naman, marupok din tayo.
Nakakaloka!
Tukso, madaming tukso.
No, pero lumabas
Lalo na ganito ang tsura.
Oo, grabe. Wait, Angelica, tama?
Opo.
Yes, what's your role here?
Ako po dito si Piera, tagahawak ng sikreto, taga-sumbong kay Totoy. Ayun.
Pero ano siya kababata siya ng parang
Yun po. Magkakababata po kami sa Pok Paraiso.
nung best friend ni Totoy.
Ng best friend ni Totoy. Tas
The universe of Totoy Bato just got bigger and wow, talagang what made you say yes to this acting project?
Ako, aside from, of course, Totoy Bato's already successful, no?
Yes,
Here
yes,
in
yes,
TV5, no? So, it's nice coming into an already successful show. Tapos, my role is a dream role for me.
Okay.
Kasi straight talaga ta na medyo sketchy,
Oh.
scheming, medyo mafia vibes. Ganun.
And what about it attracted you? Parang, you're always tapping on your comedic
Of course,
side.
oo.
Oo, but we know na
But
talagang
syempre,
yung hugot mo
deep
rito.
inside, all comedians want to,
Ito na yun.
show their dramatic side.
Ito na yun.
Ito na yun.
Ito yung project na yun. And paano sa'yo sinabi ni Boss Vic ng Viva na, are you open? Because we do know you're so busy, diba, with your podcast as well,
Yeah,
your long
yeah.
take, your vlog.
Yeah, oo. Thank you, Thank you sa lahat ng nagsusupport ng
Oo.
vlog. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Salamat. So anyway, noon pa naman sinasabi sa akin ni Boss Vic na, hey, Jano, with your age and dapat actor ka na. Mag-transition ka na. So, I guess this is the time.
Do you feel like it's like passing the baton from your dad?
Medyo
Diba?
Parang pag mag-eksena tayo, diba? Medyo pa Ronaldo Valdez
Oh.
yung delivery. Hindi ko sinasadya, but it
Yeah,
naturally
exactly.
comes out.
Tsaka hindi rin naman natin in-expect yun because you had other plans, diba? Parang last year you were talking about music.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
You also
I'm still
working on it.
I'm making my new album now.
Wow. But ito, ano yung parang epiphany mo nga na parang Ronaldo Valdez?
Oo no, it's funny and it's touching to see when I watch my playback na, daddy ko na to nakikita ko So, it's heartwarming.
Do you feel
It's nostalgic.
Do you feel like it's an homage? Na, di ba, parang...
I don't mean it to be, but it turns out parang ganun nga.
And actually, it's all in the family. Sa Totoy Bato, ganun din. Because, di ba, Diego also comes from the great line
Diego
of
is family.
actors.
Yes,
of course, Teresa.
He's,
Yun nga, it's all in the family.
Diego actually grew up with me and in the household, me and
Wow.
Bing. He's lived with us for quite a while when he was small pa.
What can you say about his transformation here? And now you coming in the project.
Babatukan ko na siya. Chance ko ng batuan. Wala lang. Wala.
Lambing lang yun.
Lambing
lang yun.
Pero si,
Oo. And speaking of lambing, kamusta naman yung ka-love team mo? Parang kanina pa nakabantay kahit off-cam.
Kaya nga masaya.
kasi sige, go.
Sobrang close kami Tapos ngayon, nagkaroon pa kami ng project together. So, masaya. Para kami naglalaro sa set.
Ano yung
Kaso,
Oh.
may scene kami.
May scene kami. Ano siya, para siyang daring siya na scene. Tapos ang galing-galing ni Kuya Jano.
Hindi,
Kasi,
galing mo rin.
hindi, si Kuya Jano. Seryoso yung character niya Pero, every time na magkakat, yun, lumalabas yung funny side niya. Kaya sobrang saya. Ang ganda rin ng eksena namin together.
No, I do that. Kasi nakikita ko medyo ninenervyo siya. Kasi medyo delicate nga yung scene. Parang, she's seducing me. Parang gano'n. So, I make it a point for her to be comfortable. Nagpapatawa ako in between. Diba? Para light lang tayo.
Ang galing. So, kaya that prompted yung parang Taylor Swift outfit. Life of the showgirl lang atake na outfit,
Actually, yun talaga yung character ko Wild, sexy, daring, seductive.
And you're in great hands because, of course, you're with sila Jano and the whole ensemble.
Lahat sila marirespeto. Tsaka kapag nasa set kasi, parang hindi mo ma-feel yung trabaho Parang ang light, ang saya, fun. So, yun. Parang,
Okay. And just, going back, yung vlog nyo ni Bing is like making waves. Did you ever, I mean, pati naman yung long take, ang dami, lagi kayong ang dami yung na-extract sa guest.
The men's room dito sa TV5 every Sunday.
Correct. Ang dami yung na-extract na hindi dapat ma-extract sa mga guests. Nakakaloka. Parang hindi nyo rin sinasadya, nagma-viral.
I guess it's I think people now like hindi contrived, 'di ba, na material. They like raw and spontaneous
correct.
Conversations lang, ganun.
Kumusta sa inyo ni Bing? Because parang you seem to be cool partners really with your kids, with life. So, was it hard to break the fourth wall na parang i-share nyo rin na kung paano kayo? Kasi di ba, kumbaga, if you guys are personalities, sometimes you want things kept for yourself.
No, for one, si Bing is not a social media person.
Yun nga.
She doesn't post anything. Ayaw niya nagpapapicture. Ayaw niya. So, ano yan kasi, it was actually her manager who wanted her to do vlogs. Maybe with sina Ami, yung mga friends niya, di ba? Ami.
Si Mother Bibs ba yan?
Na Mother Bibs, siyang put up for Bing. And then, namimili sila with her friends, ganun. Sabi ni Bing, she'll be more comfortable with me. So, yun.
Ayun na.
Yun na.
Thank you so much. Mag-sit-nurse lang po tayo. Ganun pala yun. Dapat amiga niya. Tapos, hindi, wala. It makes sense na kayo.